So good morning, 4:10 in the AM, and my weight is 91.70. So the first thing in the morning, lemon water in an empty stomach, that keeps up the metabolism throughout the day, and little bit salt to it, and that's ready. So I cooked the rice as soon as I woke up, and since I'm dieting, I track all my meals. So it shows it should be 200, and there you go, 200 grams rice, and with it 7 eggs. Yeah, 7 eggs and nothing else, just raw. So now it's gym time. I preferably take black coffee, which is caffeine, as my pre-workout. And add creatine to it. So both this mixture give a great boost to my workout. So now I'm gonna get my post-workout shake ready, and 1 scoop of whey protein powder, and little bit more maybe. Yeah, and that's it. And here we go, straight to the gym. I always prefer to walk to the gym rather than going in a public transport. So as it is my first vlog, so I may not be good at it, so but excuse me if you don't enjoy it. I will try to do better next time. So before workout, I always stretch. I never miss my stretching sessions. It takes nearly 50 to 20 minutes per session on my leg days and back days, and rest it takes nearly 10 to 15 minutes for my upper body portion. the first exercise is on leg press, just for a warm-up set, few warm-up sets for 20 to 30 reps to let that blood flow into the legs for my heavier working sets.
Before this video starts, I just want to say I am following tactics that I personally use to stick on my diet.
So my first working exercise is squats, always in my list. Going now is in deep for 12 to 15 reps and for 3 sets. As you can see, going nice and slow all the way down and not locking the knees while I am up. So next up is on leg press, 4 sets on them for 10 to 15 reps. Really can feel that blood rushing to the legs. So 4 sets on them. The next exercise is stiff leg deads. Not going too heavy in this exercise, just feeling the hamstrings and just lowering the weight and get back up. The whole tension should be on the hamstrings, not on the lower back. If you feel the tension on the lower back, correct the technique and form. Last exercise is the walking lunges to finish things up, and it's very tough. After finishing all those sets, it's really tough. So getting my post workout shake in and finishing it quickly before we go out of the gym. And I still have to buy some groceries for today's food prep that you are going to see later in this video. So I didn't shoot in the store and went back home. My post workout meal is 500-gram rice and eggs. So I will show you how I cook my eggs. So this is the olive oil which I prefer when I diet. So just 5 grams. So as the oil heats up, separate the egg yolks from the whites, and before you put them on the pan, add turmeric, chili powder, and then eggs and salt to taste. Flip the other side and it's ready. So eggs are gonna look like this, and this meal with lemon water, and that's it. So my next meal, so preparing chicken breast. It should be 250 grams and 260, yeah, that's it, 260. So before you cook, cut the chicken as I have done to let that marination go deep inside, and you will get a great taste. Then next up, add curd, then chili powder, add turmeric, salt, ginger garlic paste, chicken masala and garam masala, and mix well and leave it for 30 to 40 minutes to settle. A little bit oil on the pan and then chicken on it, and you cook something like this. Juicy and very tasty. So time for my next meal. It's already 4 in the evening, and same chicken and rice as I have shown you the recipe before. So time for my next meal. Same meal, chicken and rice. So it's already 9 and it's my final meal. Eggs, 7 eggs and 1 yolk. So before I go to bed, a protein shake, little bit more, yeah, and here we go. So the last meal was my protein shake. So that's it from my today's video of a day in life. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.